Record type and sales process for opportunity has to be one-to-one always. That's a good question. So let me pull that up. I thought that I talked about this somewhere. I gave an example somewhere. So you should be able to have multiple record types reference the same sales process. So let me show my screen. All right, so I've got 3 sales processes here. So then the record type on opportunity, I was trying to remember what all I had here in this org. So I go into Object Manager. I'm going to quick find my opportunity. More than one way to get there. And record types. Right. So I've got, this is where I actually talked about this. I've got microwave and TV. So those were both associated with the electronics record type. Or the electronic sales process. So it's the TV record type is in the electronics sales process. And then as well, I need to go back. Microwave is also associated with the electronics sales process. So in answer to your question, you can have multiple record types pointing to the same sales process.